Guys, so I'm very excited that I'm finally sitting down and sharing this with you. I'm going to do like an unboxing. Like, what's in my box? What did you order? What is it? Where is it from? Oh my gosh. It's been heavy on my heart to come up with a way to help clean up our house. I've decided to start an account with Young Living. Since I'm in the bathroom, I figured I would fill up my moisturizer serum that I use. So here's what I do. I have this right here, this amber bottle, and it has a spray top, but you can use just like a dropper top, but I don't have any of those, so I just have the spray. Don't mind the baby noises. So what I do is I fill it up with jojoba oil, and then in it I put 15 drops of frankincense and tea tree, and then I put 10 drops of copaiba and of lavender, and I swear by this stuff. It's amazing. And then I just top it with some witch hazel. Jojoba oil is good for your face because it doesn't block like clog your pores like coconut oil would. But I hope I have enough frank. This bottle is almost empty. I didn't realize that.